is on?
It's gone to
Okay.
I'm talking to you, huh?
Wait,
Why is it talking to you, huh?
Give that one to Ashley. I don't think she actually cares.
I don't care.
Stop.
Yeah, I was like, oh my god.
Hey guys.
Does anyone have a French fry? I want to try one.
Oh wait, one
singular
sec.
French fry.
Can
Can I have one singular chip?
Ew, Mia.
Guys, let's all calm down now.
Rhea, do your crunch.
You have to do it to the mic.
Say
something. I love you.
Give me a chip. I'm fucking not even in the camera. You can see who's in the camera.
Hey guys, so we're currently getting. Shut up! It's a mukbang. Can I have this?
Oh, you can't even tell.
Can I have this?
No, right there.
Wait, I don't see it. Can I have it? Oh my god, no, actually good one. Really good. I forgot there's salsa. Sorry. Oh shit!
Mia.
Get the nachos. I am. Get this.
Fighting over each other's food. Like, there's so many. Sorry, just. How do you clip it to your string? This video has
I don't know.
8,000 health hazards. We're all like sharing food.
Like we're gonna fill up all his memory of just mukbang.
It's like a circle. It's just Rhea eating. Does anyone want half a Kit Kat?
Me?
Oh, do the crunch. Do the crunch.
Yeah, do the crunch.
Of the Kit Kat. This is a gear breaking.
I'm gonna just sit.
Ready? Me? Me?
You need to be quiet.
What? Oh.
I don't know, guys. I think this footage might be 2020.
So I'm about to bite into a Kit Kat.
Oh, the wrapper. Yeah, like the.
Did anybody not get a chance to eat something during this break? Okay. Because there's also, you can also pick up something.
I might just do that. I think I'm just gonna go get myself something. That's what I think you should do.
So you need to grab
Go.
just so you know. Okay.
Let's go. Order gets everything in here.
Are you gonna finish that? It's ASMR. Can I have it still?
What?
Are you still doing ASMR? Can I do ASMR too? Can I have a nacho? I don't know why you're asking when you can just. Can I have a nacho? Sure. I'm gonna do a nacho.
Y'all need to learn how to do a windmill. Hit my line.
Don't hit his line. Is this just
Hey guys.
Oh,
Be careful.
Yo, hold on.
Bruh. Kevin, this is getting ruined. No, not the mic, the video.
You scared him, Rhea.
Oh, sorry, yeah, not the mic. Yo. Put that in.
I bet Kevin's real happy.
Hold on, I'm finishing my chip.
Wait, I see my son. Ew.
That was a dry chip. That was so dry. Okay, can you hold on? Hold on. That's mine. Oh my god. Guys, Maria just ate my quesadilla.
Like all of it?
She literally just put it all in her.
I was wondering why the quesadilla ended up here.
Guys, I'm making a frame. Frame yourself.
It's Brianna. Anyways. Wait. ASMR.
Sorry, I'm just like, I'm not over the back.
ASMR.
Oh my goodness.
She saw a quesadilla.
Stop getting in the thing.
She saw a quesadilla, wondered why it was in there, picked it up and ate it. Can I try jalapeno?
Are you recording on your phone too? Oh, nice. Double. Anyways. Okay, guys, we're doing another one. Careful.
Oh.
That thing dropped. It has to be ASMR.
It's good.
Wait, can you do the thing where like...
Oh my god.
Wait.
Can I
Wait, these are napkins.
Why do you keep asking?
Wait, hold it for me.
Guys, I swear to God. Ready?
ASMR Kevin. ASMR Kevin.
Kevin's nose about to be in the camera.
Oh, nice.
That was good.
That was a really nice one.
Have you done this before?
Yeah, ASMR.
Hi.
Where's the mic? The mic. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, let's like sing ASMR Lee. Mic check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Should we do like update now? Like be like, okay, guys, this is what we're doing.
Oh, that's spicy.
Yo, the focus. Yo, that was so cool. That was actually
Oh
so
my
cool.
God.
Wait, do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Where's the Gatorade?
You're not even doing.
I ate a whole
But you,
jalapeno.
no, hold on. Hold on. Tell us what you're doing right now.
I'm holding up a
You
Nutri-Grain.
don't have to be ASMR, just say it out loud.
Oh, I'm holding a Nutri-Grain bar, and
You're
I'm.
not, it's not even focusing. Oh, it's focused. Sponsored. Wow.
Oh my
What are
God,
they
that's
doing?
so spicy.
Oh, they're doing a TikTok. Update. Romy did this like chin handstand thingy, and then Hila jerked. So.
It's a reject.
Or reject. Sorry. What's a jerk then? What's a jerk? What's the
It's
difference?
not even in it.
What's the difference between a reject and a jerk?
Your legs.
What about your legs?
A jerk is like a completely different move. A jerk is like a completely different move from the reject.
But like, okay, show to the camera. Be like behind us and then like show us. Okay.
I don't know what a jerk
What do you mean no?
I don't know what a jerk is.
Then what's the difference?
They're different moves. It's
But like how?
It's like the difference.
Yeah.
Between, like, it's
what's
like
the difference?
between like a whip and a like whoa? Like, you wouldn't call them the same thing, would you?
But what's the difference? Like there's like no. Say that one more time.
There's a very obvious difference between a whip and a whoa.
Aiden, do the reject.
Do the reject and then do the jerk.
And then do the jerk.
What's the reject?
See? Exactly.
That's the reject.
Then what's a jerk?
Then what's a jerk?
I forgot. But jerk is this. It's like boom.
Is that not the jerk?
That's the reject.
You just answered my question. You said the jerk was something.
Then what's a jerk?
The jerk. Okay, he's still going.
What's a jerk?
I'm gonna show you the jerk after I'm done with it.
You're a jerk.
Hey.
You're a junior educated rich kid.
Why aren't you guys?
They're not nervy.
I was nervy.
They were not nervy for that.
I was.
Officially sit down.
Oh my God, Tina's joining us. Oh my God, Tina, you're stepping on the mic. The mic.
Ah, don't ruin his equipment.
Dude, you literally sat
Tina.
on his mic. You idiot. Introducing Tina. Introduce Tina. Tina, do the ASMR mukbang with us.
I'm done with my food.
Tina, who are you?
Tina,
I'm Christina.
you have to eat the chip and do ASMR with it. No, you didn't. You have to do it slowly.
Okay, I got it.
You're so loud.
I got it, I swear. That was good. Okay, bye.
Word. Oh. That's it.
Bye, Tina.
You're gonna see all this footage in which you guys were in it.
True.
I'm here with my badonkadonk
Gadong. Can you get my Gatorade?
and my Dutch baby.
Behind my water Thank you.
I'm here with. Okay. I'm here with badonkadonk, Dutch baby, and Coral.
Ain't no way my name is just Coral. That is actually so
What do I call you?
Brown baby. Brown Bebe.
You sound like a frog.
Okay, guys, I feel like it's time we end this because I don't want to take up too much of his storage of this pointless.
Well, be honest, will we end up using a lot of your storage?
We've been going for about 25 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we should probably end this.
Okay, guys, wait.
Interview.
Ready? Get ready to end it when I do like.
Yeah, we all
Ready?
are. We're all gonna.
No,
No, we all have
fine,
to do
fine.
it.
Ready? Okay. Wait.
Bianca.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.